Can you solve 2 squared plus 3 cubed times 4 to the power of 1? 2 squared means 2 times 2 equals 4, right? 4 plus 3 cubed times 4 to the power of 1. Now 4 plus 3 cubed means 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. 27 times 4 to the power of 1. Now 4 plus 27 times 4 to the power of 1 equals 4. Now 4 plus 27 equals 31 times 4, and 31 times 4 equals 4, and yes, 124. But this is not correct. Why? Because multiplication must be done before addition. So follow the order of operations, we use PEMDAS rule. So multiply first, right? So 4 plus, okay, 27 times 4 equals 108. Now 4 plus 108 equals 112.